Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can start an online business without any money. Yes, I'm going to tell you how you can start your online business without any money. Yes, so for online business what I'm going to give you is a very useful trick which has worked for me and it will work for you. So let's say you want to start an online business. So what kind of business it will be? So I will give you exactly what business you need to start and how to start without money. So let's start. So let's say this business which I am recommending to you is the online hosting business. So what does this hosting provider do is they use this space to host the website. So they use this space to host the website of some business. So basically the host is nothing but a server where all those files of the website of a business stays. So that hosting comes with a price, but in this video I will show you how you can start without any money. So what you need to do is you need to collect the business card of all the businesses nearby your area or in your city and start calling to the people who want the website designed or who want to host their business. So you convince them that you are a hosting provider and you can host their website with the security and you can provide all the services. So they will give you website project which you can host, and they will sign a contract with you to host their website. So once you get the contract and you get the money, at some advance money they will give you. So once they will give you that advance money, you can immediately go ahead and purchase a server. So that server you can configure and use it. So how you can configure the server I will show you in this video.